What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken. We have another video today. I wanted to test out changing the wheels, not the actual rim, but take that center cap off and I will show you. So what we're gonna do is pop this off here and I'll show you what I have. I have it in the front trunk. So I did buy these off of Amazon. I think it'll match the silver metallic. And then I have the little popper, very cheap. You can get it off of Amazon. I can put that in the description below. I did buy these. Like I said, I'm not really a car guy, but they definitely don't fit. So I went to Amazon and hopefully this works. He pulled it up from the 2020. He said the 2021 was too new. And this was another idea. I was gonna put these, but I don't want plastic. I want steel. And I just want you to let me know what you think. I don't really know if I'm gonna like hold on to them or not. There's nothing really wrong with these, but we'll see. So the first thing, what I'm gonna do, these, I think it comes with this little safety deal. Hopefully you can see that. And let me try to take all of this out. So first thing what I want you to see is how easy this is. So I'll take this, see if I can get this off of here. Clamps down. It's always something, man. Well, for some reason it didn't want to come off. It did pop off last night. I did test it, so that's kind of how the rims look underneath that cover. If you was curious, this is kind of how the plastic lug nut covers look. I mean, they're not too bad. I just really don't want plastic in there. So what I'm gonna do is take this wrench here and get those off and see if the other ones fit. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I did just complete one wheel. And so this is how it looks before, of course. Now the big reveal. Let's see if you all like this. So like I said before everyone, I really wanted to just change that look and get that center plastic wheel cover off. I think it looks good, I would say. If you have any questions, if you think I should change it back, just let me know. I think that's it. Hopefully you like this video. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you want to, and leave a like on this video. This is YouTube Ken. See you in the next video.